Welcome to the Department of English, Government Postgraduate College, Attock. These online classes have been started on the instructions of Punjab Higher Education Department, Govt of Punjab, Lahore. The prime purpose of these classes is to help students in continuing their studies and preparation for the final exams. By conducting these classes, the students would benefit from the teaching of their teachers in COVID-19 situation. As you know that all the educational institutions have been closed due to the spread of COVID-19. Hence, online classes are inevitable for the smooth flow of educational activities. That is why the government decided to launch online classes for the betterment of the students. In this regard, we hope and expect that you would pay full attention to these classes and would benefit from them as maximum as possible. We also hope that you would do your best to perform in the exams. For this purpose, our department too started the online classes to help you in preparing yourself for the final exams. I'm Abdul Qayyum from Department of English. Uh, my job is to teach you grammar, that is the paper B portion of the paper, and we have already started the correction of sentences. This is the question of 10 marks in your final paper, in which incorrect sentences are given and you have to correct those incorrect sentences. This question is of prime importance because it can help you in securing more marks, and these marks are very much pertinent and important because exact 10 marks can be got in this question if only 5 sentences are corrected. So I will be sharing the rules and the principles that can help you in correcting the incorrect sentence, and this would not only help you in securing good marks in your graduation, but these rules would also help you in improving your English in general, because the basic purpose of these lectures is to help you in spotting out the most frequent mistakes committed in the usage of English. By knowing these mistakes, you will be able to express yourself in correct English. Hence, it is hoped and expected of you that you would pay full attention to these rules. Further, you are also advised to make notes of these lectures because these would help you later in your preparation for the final exam as well. Now we come to the test number 5, in which again the test has been arranged to test the understanding of the rules that have been taught to you in the previous classes, and the purpose of these tests is to enable you to understand whether you have completely comprehended those rules or not. And secondly, it also focuses on the revision as well, because these would help in revising the rules of that correction as well that you have already studied. Now we come to the first sentence. They paid no attention to passerbys. So this sentence you can see is hinting at bias, has been highlighted in the red, indicating that there is something wrong with the use of this bias. So this is referring to the wrong uh, attachment of s for making them plural and the compound nouns. So this is just a hint that would enable you to think in a way how to understand this one. Moving to the second sentence, he has 10 races horse. Again, races has been highlighted in the red and horse, showing that there is something wrong with this construction, races horse. The third sentence is all his hairs are black. Is again you can see that hairs has been highlighted in the red, showing that there is something wrong with hairs, and again R has been highlighted, showing that there's also something wrong with the R. So this would help you in pointing out the mistake in a sentence, and when a mistake is pointed out, you would realize that there is something wrong with this construction. Then you think in the restricted way that has been highlighted in the red, that there is something wrong only with this structure. So that helps you in focusing on the relevant structure so as to correct the sentence in a good way. In the same way, we move to sentence number 4. Her 5 hair is black. Again, in this sentence, you can see that hair is highlighted, means that there is something wrong with this hair. And again, is black. Is has been highlighted in the red, showing that there is also something wrong with this one. So, highlighting these words are actually helpful in identifying the mistake, and this also would help in you in recalling that structure of the sentence, that what is the replacement, that would help you in understanding these rules. Similarly, the sentence number 5, dog is a faithful enemy. So dog, you see, has been highlighted in the red, that is showing that there is something particular with this word dog. So that's what you need to consider while correcting this sentence. So we have discussed these 5 sentences, and these are incorrect sentences, and also the mistakes have been highlighted there. Now, in the next section, in the next part, we would move to the solution and to the correct sentences, that how these sentences can be corrected in order to remove the mistakes from them. The correct sentences that they paid no attention to passers-by. So previously, buys was made plural, whereas we need to focus and to make the plural of the main word. And the main word is not the buy, rather passer. That's why passers has been highlighted in this one. Similarly, he has 10 race horses, not races horse. Why? Because the main word for making it plural is horse. So we have to make the plural of horse, that is horses, not races. So he has 10 race horses is the correct expression for that sentence. All his hair is black. When we use the hair as a whole, then they are used as singular. That's why S has been removed from here and R has been replaced by his. All his hair is black is the correct expression. The next sentence, her 5 hairs are black. You see that when when here are highlighted in numerical order, that 5 or 4 or 3, then they are used as plural. That is why S has been added with here, and R has also been added there as plural. So her 5 hairs are black is the exact construction for that sentence. Similarly, moving to the 5th sentence, the dog is a faithful animal. Previous sentence and the wrong sentence we had, dog is a faithful animal. So when something represents the whole class, then
the definite article dies before added before that one. So that is why the dog is a faithful animal is the correct expression for this sentence.